If you're seeing X or Twitter error 201 or that frustrating something went wrong message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes you can try on your computer to get back into your account. This is usually caused by a browser issue, corrupted cookies, privacy extensions, or sometimes even an outage on X's side. So we're going to check the simple things first, then move step by step through the most effective fixes. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's start with the easiest check. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all. It can be a temporary X outage or server issue. So open a new tab and go to downdetector.com. Once you're there, search for X or Twitter and look at the report graph. If you see a big spike in reports, that usually means the issue is on X's side and not yours. In that case, the best fix is often to wait a little while and try again later. If the site seems to be working normally, then we'll move on to the browser fixes. The first method is to delete the specific Twitter or X cookies for the site. Corrupted site data is one of the most common reasons login pages break or throw error 201. To do this, open X or Twitter in your browser. Then look to the left of the website address in the URL bar and click the padlock icon. From the menu that appears, select Site Settings. After that, choose the option to delete the site data or clear the data for that site. Once that is done, refresh the page and try logging in again. This can often fix the issue immediately because it removes any broken session data stored in the browser. If that does not work, the next step is to perform a hard refresh. A hard refresh forces your browser to reload the page from scratch instead of using an older cached version. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. After you do that, wait for the page to reload fully, then try signing in again. This step is especially useful if X updated its login page, but your browser is still loading old files. Now let's check another common cause, which is privacy extensions. Some ad blockers, tracker blockers, strict browser privacy settings, and even certain VPNs or proxies can interfere with X's login scripts. If you use something like uBlock Origin, a privacy extension, or a very strict VPN setup, temporarily turn it off just for the X login page. Then refresh the tab and try again. If the login works after disabling the extension, you've found the cause. You can then add X to the allow list or create an exception so it works properly without turning everything off permanently. If you're still getting the error, the next best test is to use an incognito or private window. Open a private browsing window in your browser and try logging in there. If it works in incognito, that tells you the problem is probably linked to your normal browser data, extensions, or cached files. In that case, you may want to clear more browser data, disable additional extensions, or test a different browser entirely. You can also try opening X in another browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, depending on what you normally use. If the issue only happens in one browser, that makes troubleshooting much easier because you know the problem is local to that browser rather than your account itself. So to recap, the main fixes for X or Twitter error 201 are checking for outages, deleting the site cookies, doing a hard refresh, disabling privacy extensions, and testing Incognito or another browser. One of these usually solves the problem. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials and quick fixes. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix this error on mobile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.